Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Phil and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And for today's video we're going to do this black smoky eye. I bought this product a while back. As some of you guys may know from watching all my previous videos, I use it as eyeliner, but essentially when buying this I saw that it said Smudger, and this look came into mind and I've always wanted to do it ever since buying it. And I finally did it, and here it is. I enjoyed this so much. It was so much fun to create, but I really just wanted to keep it simple and keep it only matte black. So, and that's what I did. I did try some new products in this video. Today I tried out this combination. I tried the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation, and then I also tried the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So yeah, that's all I have to say, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so to get started with this look, I did my face, I primed my lids. Every product I use will be listed right down below. So let's get started with this look. So first, we're going to start this whole look with the Patrick Starrr eyeshadow quad. I think that's what they're called. First, put the white all over my lid, and it is the shade... What? Where are they? I can't find the shade names. Alright, so we're going to go with this shade right here, and then put it all over the lid. Alright, and then we're going to dust this over, setting the eyeshadow primer. Alright, next we're going to dip into this brown color, and use this as our transition shade. Alright, so we're going to put this in our crease, put it all over, all up in it. And in circular motions, blend it out. Okay, so we're just really trying to define that shape, really making sure that our crease is blended outwards. Since I bought this NYX gel liner and smudger, I wanted to try this into a dark smoky eye, and it's just been a really long time, so now I'm finally going to try it out. I've never done this before, so I'm slightly scared of how this will turn out, but I mean, there it goes. It looks a little crazy, but remember, it always has to look a little bit crazy before it gets better. I guess the benefit of this eye look is that if you mess up or smudge up, it doesn't matter because it's just going to blend down. So we're going to go back to the Patrick Starrr palette and dip into this darker shade, right there, and we're going to blend out the outer edge. I don't want to blend in with the blacks. I don't want, because the black is so hard to like work with. So my thought is that if I blend with brown, it'll be a lot easier to maneuver. Like I said before, this look is all about the blending, making sure that everything is blended out, no harsh edges. And next we're going to smoke out the underneath. Before I get into that, a lot of people shade Kylie Cosmetics, but honestly, this black, I love it so much. I like working with this black. If you go on my channel, a little picture, that black eyeshadow on there, it's actually it is just the Kylie Cosmetics black eyeshadow. Nothing else with it. Alright, we're gonna go with the Sex Kitten eyeliner and put that in the waterline. So my eye is pre-smudging my eyeliner because it is watering down. We're gonna go back into the Patrick palette and go in with that super dark shade and smoke out underneath. We're gonna take the small dental blending brush and dip to the Kylie black shade and blend out underneath with it. Next, we're going to go back with the Sex Kitten and just fill in the top eyeliner. My tip for beginners who are doing things on the waterline or on the top waterline, just take a deep breath and go in slowly. Like you blinking your eyes is like a gut reaction because your body's feeling something going into your eye. Just relax, take a deep breath, say it's okay, and your body will allow it. Alrighty guys, so everything is coming together. Everything looks blended out. We have our filled out. We have the waterline on top filled in. Let's do lashes. Next we're going to go in with Benefit Roller Lash. Doesn't matter if lashes bump your eyelids or whatever because it's all black. I suppose you could add glitter to like your lid or something, but I really want to keep it black and matte. With pink highlighter, ways, I don't know if you can see, but my jacket is from Jeffree Starrr Cosmetics. This is when he first launched it, and I got it. And I also have the pink one because at DragCon he was handing them out for free. Not personally, but they were handing them out for free if you were waiting in line at the meet and greet. So yeah, I got a pink one. I'm saving the pink one for a very special video that's coming up soon. Alright, next we're going to do lashes. Alright, so we're going to go in with the Makeup Shack and style Dragon Eye. I put lashes on camera. Do you really want to see how big of a mess I am by putting on lashes? I guess we'll leave it running. Alright, so how I put on lashes. I have a lash applicator. This is from Lily Lashes. And so basically what I do, I have this duo, I have this lash glue. I like this type of applicator. Just put it on the band from one side to another, making sure it's all covered, including in both corners. Now, if these lashes are for yourself and you're not a client, then you can make it tacky faster by being like, you want to wait for the glue to be tacky a little bit so it'll stick on. Okay, ideally you want to place it like along the lash line, but if you want like a cute thing, like a cute like tweak to it, you can put the band like a little bit higher on the end to give your eyes a little lift. Oh, there we go. Hopefully this is a good angle and you're actually able to see what I'm doing. Say quiet prayer to Jesus, making sure that the lashes will go on even. Everything will be fine. Alrighty, and the lashes are now on, so let's do some last minute blending, making sure everything is Gucci. Alright, so we're going to go in with this Burberry liquid lipstick. I love this formula and I love this shade. So let's get it on. I bought this one, I had the 20% off at Sephora, so don't judge me. And let me tell you, it was worth every penny. Come on, overdraw, let's get sickening. The lips are all done. Now we just gotta set the face. Tip, if you own a lot of spray bottles, I like to do the little spray thing in the front label. It's a lot easier to know where it's going on. So yes, let's go ahead and set the face. And let's take our cat fan and just dry that in. Alrighty, and that completes the look. Alrighty, I'm just highlighting a bit more because I love the way highlighter looks. There we go. And bam. We love a glistening look. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I love how this look turned out. Yeah, let's talk about products that I used today that are new to me. Two products that are new to me that I did not use on camera. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. I love this foundation. The only problem with it is it gets dewy looking real fast. And I don't like that whole, like, I look like I'm sweating. So we have to find something else to set it better. I was finally able to get my hands on the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is so hard to get. Every time I go into a store, it's like always, every time I go into Ulta, it's always sold out. Speaking of, when I went to go get this, I actually went to the location that I got horrible customer service at, and I actually had a good time in there. So me and Ulta are back together. We're a-okay now. This kind of was my first time playing with this since buying it. I love this a lot. I definitely want to check out MAC now and check out their eyeshadows. Any new products? No, I think that's all for the new department. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, hit that like button down below, and be sure to share with all your friends and family, and be sure to hit that bell notification button to be alerted every time I upload, and I upload videos every Wednesday. And if you enjoyed me, then subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links are linked down below. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have an awesome day.